It's your girl Simply Victoria, back at it again with another vlog. So today we are going to the hospital to go see my mom, and then we'll go from there, whatever the plans is. See you then, bye. Hey guys, so we're here at the hospital. Oh, I'm here at the hospital. I've been here since 10 o'clock and it's almost 3 o'clock. Yeah, 3 o'clock. So just waiting for my mom to come back from her one of her procedures that they're planning to do on her. As you can see, there's no one in the room besides me. So hopefully by the time she gets back, the kids are here to come pick me up because I am tired. But tonight we have our church games, which we held at the chapel. So see you then. Yo, what up guys? We're here at the chapel where came for our ward games that's on. Also we brought the boys for their dance practice. And yeah, and so far we just got here, even though the practice was at 4:30. But so we're here at our ward games just playing, as you can see. We just finished a quick game of basketball. We lost it only 2 rounds, but that's good. Coming from a person that hardly plays sports. Yeah. Okay, so we just finished playing games. Well, I only had like a couple of rounds of basketball, and now we're heading home because it's getting late. Well, late to them is like nothing. They will be late home when they want to be late. Not funny. Yeah, so tomorrow we have a ward conference dance. Bellas, what's funny? We have our ward conference dance tomorrow, and these little kids will be performing tomorrow.
I'm a little kid.
And yeah, looking forward to seeing that. But first, tomorrow we will be seeing our mom before our conference dance. So yeah, well, it's Friday night and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. So we're just heading to the shops now.
And I was like, oh, why are you putting school so high? And I was like, oh, because it's too late. Because when I put that, it's like...
So I just got my eyebrows done. They look a bit reddish, but in the end they'll look good. Not that I'm bragging. We're just doing a quick shopping. Yo, what up fam? So we're just here at the mega meats in Browns Plains. We're just buying meat before we head home. We have so much to do today. We just finished getting the kids stuff for their dance tonight. Then we're gonna go see our mom after and drop off her lunch because she doesn't like hospital food. And I'll be honest, hospital food is like disgusting. Yeah, so we're just waiting in the car. My dad will go get the meat. And yeah, we shall see you guys throughout the day. Yo, what up? It's your girl Simply Victoria back here at the chapel. So we're just here with the young women in their Tongan attires. Say what up.
I look Tongan.
They look so beautiful today. They have their performance coming up soon. This is the face behind all of the stress of these young women. Your girl Kylie Jenner from her recent vlog. Oh, she's single, so if you guys got a man, just comment down below with their phone numbers and their address as well. Other fellow sisters.
Oh, bro.
And my sister here.
Oh, you should have done that because the road must do something.
Like what? So we just got our McDonald's meals. Looky.
Oh, yeah, it's like for ages.
Oh,
That's the car.
now we're heading home to eat our McDonald's. Oh, that's your problem. So we're on our way to church now. We're running behind schedule because we're supposed to be at the chapel to start practice. I know, last minute practice, eh? Yeah, so it's just us kids left to go to the chapel. Yes, and I'm wearing full white, as you can see. I never wear full white. But yeah, we had the Relief Society is singing today at church, and the uniform we had to wear was white, and they'll provide our gold scarf at church. And yeah, last night was good. The food was okay. After the dance finished, we went straight to Macca's because hello, you can't go home without Macca's. Yeah, no, fat life. But yeah, we had Macca's last night, came home, ate, and then kind of basically knocked out until this morning, quickly had to. Thanks to Jeannie 2012 for giving me her bear for me to wear today. Oh, you're so loyal, girl. Without you, I probably would have pulled out today. But thank you so much, Jeannie, for the bear. And also, yeah, we shall see you at church. So we're at church now, just arrived. So we're just heading to the airport. Dropping off my cousin to the airport. She's leaving to Melbourne tonight. She's only here for a week, so it's good to have her here with our dad, who's hardly ever here. But yeah.
Mujer fuera para mí, perdóname, te lo tenía que decir. Está dura, 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 que está dura, mano arriba porque tú te ves bien. Está dura, mamacita, te fuiste de nivel. Dura, mira cómo brilla.
Yo, what up? It's your girl Simply Victoria. I'm just heading off to bed now. I'm like really tired. I'm just doing a quick what do you call it? A quick shout out to my partner's niece, Baral, or Farrell, however you say it. Also a quick shout out to some of the other new girls that always nag me to do their shout outs on here. And yeah, we shall see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Edición especial, tienes el toque, toque.